Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best backup cameras in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in 5th place, we have the eRaptor ERT01. The eRaptor ERT01 has a voltage range of 12 to 24 volts DC power. It offers flexible vehicle compatibilities, so you shouldn't have any problems with getting it to work with yours. This camera's waterproof rubber ring is made from high-quality resin, making it incredibly durable. It meets the international standard IP69 waterproof property. This backup camera's adjustable lens allows you to get the best position no matter what. It has a 149-degree perfect view angle design that allows you to see parked cars when backing out. The auto backup system features LED lights that make driving at night a lot safer overall. The 100% glass lens that this camera uses has a working temperature of negative 50 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. It also features an update chip with technology that makes it incredibly effective as a whole. The true color reproduction gives you a clear look at everything that's behind your vehicle at all times. Some of the features of this backup camera include Assist Guidelines. This backup camera shows lines that guide you as you're backing out of space. Golden Angle. The 149-degree angle of this camera lets you see everything behind your vehicle. Adjustable Lens. You can make certain adjustments to the lens to get an ideal view of your vehicle's rear. Some of the pros of this backup camera include Waterproof Design. The rugged, waterproof design of this camera means that you can count on it to stand up to the elements for years of use. Sharp Picture. The sharp and clear picture you get with this backup camera makes it easier to see everything in back of your vehicle. Automatic System. This camera's auto system is constantly working, so you won't have to remember to switch it on. One con of this backup camera is that the mounting bracket is made of plastic. Coming in at around $20, the eRaptor ERT01 gives you a highly durable and functional backup camera with excellent overall performance. It can help make your driving a lot safer overall, allowing you to reduce your chances of accidents. The auto backup system activates when you turn your vehicle on, automatically loading up. It's a great investment for those who want to get a better look behind their car. Coming in 4th place, we have the Natica IP69K. The Natica IP69K has an IP69K waterproof IP rate design. The fully sealed glue-filling craft prevents the tiniest amount of water from getting in and damaging the internal components. It is also not negatively affected by fog or mist in any way. This backup camera's HD image sensor and 170-degree super wide viewing angle lens gives you an effective way to see your blind spot clearly. You therefore won't have to worry about hitting cars or getting into an accident due to things you can't see. The reverse camera housing is completely made of metal, making it incredibly tough and durable. The multifunctional switch loops allow you to mount this camera at the front or rear of your vehicle for maximum versatility. We really like the sheer versatility of this camera, as it's compatible with a vast majority of modern cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks. The sharp night vision design gives you a clear look at what's behind your vehicle even at night. It's very easy to install and can be done within a matter of minutes. Some of the features of this backup camera include multifunctional switching loops. This backup camera is designed for use in the front or rear of most vehicles. Waterproof. The IP69K waterproof design of this camera does not allow any water to get in. Adjustable viewing angle. You can quickly and easily adjust the viewing angle of this camera to match your needs in any given situation. Some of the pros of this backup camera include super wide viewing angle. The super wide viewing angle that this camera offers gives you a full look at what's behind your vehicle, so the blind spot is not an issue. Easy installation. Installing this backup camera doesn't take very long at all, as it's incredibly simple. Sharp night vision. The night vision that this camera offers gives you a clear look at your vehicle's rear, even in the night. One con of this backup camera is that the overall resolution could be a bit clearer. Coming in at around $40, this backup camera has a highly versatile and functional design that can benefit most drivers. It has a fairly bright and sharp HD wide-angle design, giving you a good look at everything behind your vehicle. Coming in 3rd place, we have the Yada BT53328M1. The Yada BT53328M1 backup camera is very easy to install over the license plate. It features night vision, so you'll have no problem seeing behind your vehicle in the dark. The IP67 waterproof rating means that it will never get damaged due to water exposure. This camera's 4.3-inch LCD monitor shows the live picture from the back of the vehicle in fairly sharp and clear detail. It uses a suction cup mount for very quick and easy placement. The suction cup is surprisingly sturdy and doesn't wiggle around very much. You won't have to run any wires from the camera to the monitor, which is always nice. The parking assist feature helps you back out of parking spaces while minimizing the chances of an accident. It reduces your blind spots so you can see everything in back of the vehicle most of the time. The wide-angle lens provides you with an impressive field of vision. When you purchase this backup camera, you will also get the windshield mount, power adapter, hardwire power cable for dash monitor, install kit, user manual, and quick install guide with detailed instructions. Some of the features of this backup camera include wireless connectivity. This backup camera is designed for wireless connectivity, so you won't have to deal with any annoying cables or cords. Night vision. This camera's night vision feature allows you to see behind your vehicle when driving at night without any problem. Parking assist. The parking assist feature guides you out of parking spots with lines so you can avoid hitting other cars. Some of the pros of this backup camera include wide field of vision. You will get a wide field of vision with this camera to virtually eliminate blind spots. Sharp monitor. The large LCD monitor has a sharp display that allows you to see behind your vehicle in great detail. Weatherproof. The rugged, weatherproof design of this backup camera is completely resistant to water and moisture. One con of this backup camera is that some customers have reported interference with their FM radio when this camera is operational. Coming in at around $80, the Yada digital wireless backup camera has a large monitor with a sharp display that you can count on to help you stay safe on the road. It gives you a complete look at what's beyond your vehicle at all times. Coming in second place, we have the Autovox T1400. The Autovox T1400 backup camera does not require any wiring from rear to front. It uses a wireless transmitter that works in place of the traditional video cable, so installing is very quick and easy. When you buy this camera, you will receive 4 different size brackets to match your needs. You shouldn't have any compatibility issues unless you have a very old vehicle. You will always get a strong and stable wireless transmission signal up to 100 meters in open areas. This gives you a clear, high-definition image without any interference and flickers. The Super Night Vision feature includes 6 LED lights that can automatically switch on and off according to the ambient light. This intelligent design helps you see behind your vehicle even when it's dark outside. The IP68 waterproof rating of this camera makes it highly resistant to water and dusts. It is tightly sealed to prevent these things from getting in and damaging the internal components. This camera has a normal operating temperature of -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it very sturdy to say the least. It's even ideal for those who live in areas that experience extreme temperatures. Some of the features of this backup camera include anti-vibration design. This camera's anti-vibration design ensures that it stays mounted firmly in place at all times. LEDs. The 6 LEDs this camera features gives you a clear view of what's behind your vehicle at night. Additional USB port. The power cord features an extra USB port so you can still charge your phone while using the backup camera. Some of the pros of this backup camera include clear picture. You will get a clear and detailed picture that lets you see everything happening behind your vehicle. Stable signal transmission. The wireless signal between the camera and the monitor is always very stable and reliable for optimal performance. Rugged design. The dust and waterproof design of this camera makes it durable and long-lasting. One con of this backup camera is that the auto-dimming capabilities of the LCD screen are fairly limited. Coming in at a little less than $150, the Autovox T1400 has a convenient wireless design that makes it very easy to install. It offers a reliable wireless connection and night vision for clear rear vision day or night. Coming in first place, we have the Autovox X2, our pick for the best overall backup camera. The Autovox X2 has a 9.88-inch streaming media touchscreen with super clear resolution for clear overall picture. You can see what's going on in the rear of your vehicle in real time, whether you're packing out of a parking space or driving on the freeway. This camera powers on automatically when shifting into reverse, lowering the rear view angle to give you a closer image. It offers a great 140-degree viewing angle for a full look at everything that's behind you at all times. This minimizes blind spots and completely eliminates distortion that can lead to serious mistakes when driving. The G-sensor automatically locks the video when there's a collision. When this happens, the video cannot be overwritten even if the loop recording function is active. When you have loop recording enabled, you won't have to keep buying extra cards to increase storage space. You can turn on parking mode to begin recording if and when an impact is detected. There is also a lane departure warning system that alerts you if you suddenly deviate from your lane. Some of the features of this backup camera include reverse assistance. The rear view camera powers on automatically when you put your vehicle into reverse, so you don't have to do it manually. G-sensor. This camera's G-sensor automatically locks the video when a collision is detected. Parking mode. The parking mode this camera offers automatically begins recording video upon impact. Some of the pros of this backup camera include large display. The 9.88-inch touch display is responsive and gives you a full picture of what's going on in back of your vehicle. Lane departure. This camera's lane departure warning system helps you stay safe on the road. Large storage capacity. You can store up to 128 gigabytes of video data with a microSD card. One con of this backup camera is that it doesn't record the speed or direction you're traveling, which is a little disappointing. The Autovox X2 Mirror Dash Cam gives you a large Full HD touchscreen with a waterproof design for rugged durability. It has GPS tracking and a number of great safety features to prevent accidents when you're driving. Installing this backup camera is very easy, so you shouldn't have any issues. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.